ledger. Firstly, how to journalize the account, and those journalized accounting entry, how to post it into the ledger. Specifically, in the ledger, different columns are used, different names of the columns are used. Specifically in the journal, those entry has been passed. For example, in entry of the past, specifically good purchase, good sales. In case two accounts are affected. In these two accounts, one are increases and second are decreases. तो हमें स्पेसिफिकली कौन सा इंक्रीज हो रहा है एंड विच वन इज डिक्रीजेस, उसके हिसाब से अकाउंटिंग एंट्री पास करना रिक्वायर्ड है. तो अभी हम चेक करने वाले हैं कि हाउ टू, जो हमने एंट्री पास की है जर्नल में, हाउ टू पोस्टेड इनटू द लेजर. ओके, so we firstly study about what is meant by ledger. In the ledger, ledger is a principal book of accounting system that is a must be open for every accounting. It contains different accounts where transaction relating to the accounts are recorded. Specific जो transaction relate करते अकाउंट से वहां पर हमें रिकॉर्ड करना रिक्वायर्ड है. फॉर एग्जांपल goods purchases, goods sale, cash purchases, cash sale. This type of different things are included. A ledger is the accounts, various account collected from one place. This place is called as a ledger. All the accounts of debited or credited in the journal proper in the various special journal. After one, utility. A ledger is very useful and is of utmost important in the organization. The net result of all transaction in respect of particular account on the given date can ascertain only from the ledger. Specifically, we ascertain the accounts, the respect of accounts in only ledger. In the ledger, different
सर बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं. स्टूडेंट्स ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं सर.
Okay. In the ledger format, in debit side, credit side, which different things are included. First one in the debit side, first column is in a date. Second one particular, third one journal folio number, and fourth one is amount. Various time university asks in the question of ledger, how many column for ledger format. अगर हम ledger की बात करते हैं, in the preparation of ledger 8 columns are used. First one in debit side, date, particular, journal folio, amount, and in credit side, date, particular, JF, and amount. This fourth column is on a debit side and fourth column is on a credit side are used. We study one by one. अगर हम वन बाय वन की बात करते हैं, स्पेसिफिकली इंफॉर्मेशन, टाइटल ऑफ अकाउंट, द नेम ऑफ द आइटम इज रिटन एट द टॉप ऑफ द फॉर्मेट. स्पेसिफिकली हमें टॉप ऑफ द फॉर्मेट में जो अकाउंट है उसका टाइटल लिखना रिक्वायर्ड है. फॉर एग्जांपल कैश अकाउंट, फॉर एग्जांपल परचेस अकाउंट, फॉर एग्जांपल सेल्स अकाउंट, फॉर एग्जांपल एनी पर्सन अकाउंट. दिस इज रिकॉर्डेड, वहां पर हम रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं. The title of the accounts ends with suffix account. Next line given DR. DR means debit records and CR means credit records. Means DR means debit side of the account, that left side. Specifically हमारे जो left side में होगी, this is called as a debit side, and जो right in the particular name of the item with reference to the original book of entry is written debit or credit side of the account. Next one, JF number. JF number means journal folio number. What is meant by journal folio number? It is records that page number of original book of entry on which relevant transaction is recorded. This column is filled up at the time of posting. And next one is an amount. This column records the amounts in the numerical figure corresponding to what has been entered in the amount of column of the original book. Specifically, this column record जो different column है, numerical figure से, correspondence से, how has been entire record in original book. Original book में हम उसे record कैसे करते हैं? Specifically, original book में which type of numerical figure are recorded. So this included into the amount column. Go to the next one. Distinction or difference between journal and ledger. What is meant by journal and what is meant by ledger? The journal is the primary entry. The journal is the first entry of the books of account. And ledger is the books of secondary entry, means firstly prepare journal and this journal posted to the ledger. Okay. Second one, the journal is the books of chronological order records one by one, specifically date of first month of January, 1st January, after 2nd January, 3rd January, 4th January, means day by day. Means recorded sequence, means sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. आज याची लास्ट डेट आहे. तुम्ही जाऊन या बघा. ठीक आहे जातो. ओके ठीक आहे जातो मी कर. ओके ओके. In the ledger is the books of analytical records. Analytically we record this transaction. जो specifically transaction है analytically हम record करते हैं. The journal is a book of source entry. Get greater importance as the legal evidence than the ledger. जो हम importance provide करते हैं legal evidence, legally that is right or wrong. Source of the entry, that is an important thing. Go to the next one. Transaction the basis of classification of data within the journal. हम जो transaction है, जो transaction basis पे classification कर रहे हैं data का within the journal. Account is the basis of classification of data within the ledger. देखिए ट्रांजैक्शन जो बेसिस है क्लासिफिकेशन की जर्नल पर डिपेंड करते हैं और जर्नल ही हम क्लासिफाई करते हैं लेजर. जो हमारा बेसिस ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन होगा इट इज अ जर्नल. जर्नल ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ जर्नल. अगर हमारे पास जर्नल अवेलेबल है तो ही हम लेजर में क्लासिफाई कर सकते हैं. प्रोसेस ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग द जर्नल इज कॉल्ड एज द जर्नलाइजिंग. चेक कीजिए अगर हम जर्नल में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं ऑल थिंग्स आर रिकॉर्डेड इन जर्नल. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द जर्नलाइजिंग एंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग द लेजर इज नोन एज द पोस्टिंग. मींस हम जो जर्नल है वहां पर रिकॉर्ड करते हैं स्पेसिफिकली एंड आफ्टर वन हम पोस्ट करते हैं लेजर. नेक्स्ट वन. The temporary accounts are closed at the end of accounting period. जो temporary accounts है close करते हम are the closed at the end of the accounting period by transferring them to the trading and profit and loss account. और हम अगर लेजर में उनका बैलेंस आ जाता है तो हम उसे ट्रेडिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एंड बैलेंस शीट में ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं. द परमानेंट अकाउंट अपीयर्स इन द बैलेंस शीट. One of the important question, trading account, profit and loss account is an accounts, but balance sheet is an a statement. Important thing. Next one, अगर हम बात करते हैं specifically